Welcome to Mr. B's Home Music Lessons playlist, providing music lessons for you at home during the school closure period. I hope that everyone is keeping well and that you enjoy these videos. Thank you very much. This is your multi-instrumental tutorial for Benny King's wonderful song Stand By Me. If you play the ukulele, head to the ukulele tutorial in the link in the description below. If you are a trombone or trumpet player, a recorder player or a string player, stay tuned to this video and I'm going to show you how to play the tune on all of those instruments, and then you'll be able to click on the link afterwards and play along with the ukulele part as well, because they do mix together nicely. So that's your challenge for this week and next week. Part 1 this week we're going to look at the verse, and then next week we'll look at the chorus and we'll do the sing along or play along together.
Just as long as you stand by me.
Okay, first of all we are going to look at the recorder part, and I'm going to show you very carefully the recorder notes, and then I'm going to take you through the verse for today, and then next week we'll look at the chorus on the recorder as well. So it starts on an E, so we need an E first of all, which is your top 3 fingers, don't forget your thumb, and then your first and second finger on your right hand as well. So left hand at the top, right hand underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 starts on an E, and then goes to a G and an A. So we go E, G, A. Remember, our G is 3 fingers, our A is 2 fingers. So we're going to do this simple pattern first of all. We'll do that twice. So let's just do that one more time. E, G, A, E, G, A. And then it goes in reverse. A, G, E, D, C. A, G, E. And then for the D and the C we just add extra fingers. D, C. So the D is 3 fingers on the right hand, and the C is all our fingers with our little finger there covering that double hole at the bottom. Make sure you're really covering that double hole really carefully, because otherwise you won't get a very good sound. So we're going to do the opening, and then we're going to do that pattern down from the top. And you'll see how it goes, and I'll go through it one more time. So, E, G, A, E, G, A, A, G, E, D, C, A, G, E, D, C. Let's just play that slowly. A, G, E, D, C, and then C, D, C. Just take it off for the D, so it's all the other fingers of the D. C, C, D, C, A, G, E, D, C, C, D, C, C, D, E, D, C. C, E, D, C, E, D, E, D, C, E, D, C. So let's just sing through that together. E, G, A, E, G, A, A, G, E, D, C, C, D, C, C, D, E, D, C, C, E, D, E, D, C. And that is the verse, except the verse does that twice. So I'm going to play through that for you now, and when you do the verse you just do that all twice. Let's have a go, see if you can have a listen first of all, and then maybe go back and play along with it. Here we go. Okay, so that's the recorder part, so do take a good look at that and break it down bit by bit and slowly put it together over the course of the week. Have fun with that. Okay, let's now look at the trumpet part for Stand By Me, looking at the verse. Now it starts on an F sharp, a fish, which is our middle finger. It then goes to the A, which is the first and second finger, and back to just the middle finger on a B. Fish, A, B. So middle finger, first and second, middle finger. Fish, A, B. That's our first pattern. We'll do that twice. Let's see if we can pitch that together. Give me an F sharp. Give me an A. B. So we do that twice, like this. Then we have a tricky rundown. B, A, fish, E, D, fish being the F sharp of course. B, B, A, fish, E, D. So B is of course middle finger. B, A, first and second, fish, E, first and second, D, first and third. You don't have to separate those notes, you can just sort of slow it down. Da 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 dum. Da 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 dum. And then we play D E D, D E D. So I'll do it from the beginning to there so far. And then repeats that bit. D E fish E D, D E fish E D. D E fish E D. D fish E D fish E. Fish E D. D fish E D. That's your ending. Let me play that through for you, then I'll talk you through it one more time. Have a listen carefully. Let's just talk that through one more time and then I'll let you recap the video in your own time. Fish A, B, fish A, B, B, A, fish E, D, D, E, D, D, E, fish E, D, D, fish E, D. And there you are, that is the verse for Stand By Me, except that pattern is played twice to give you the full verse. Do have a careful look over that part of the video and do have fun with that. Okay, this is the trombone part for the verse for Stand By Me. And it starts in second position. We're going to go E, G, A, E in second, G in fourth, A in second. Play me an E. Play me a G. Play me an A. And if you're struggling to pitch that, practice your scale. Practice that a lot to get the pitching right and then find that A. We're going to go E, G, A. And we do that twice at the start. So we do E, G, A 2 times. Then we do in reverse A, G, E, D, C. And that's quite a tricky run. We'll do it slowly. So in reverse, the E, G, A that we've just done, but A, G, E this time. Play that a couple of times. 2, 4, 2. Then we're going to add a fourth, a D in fourth, and a C in sixth. Da, 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 dum. Play me that D in fourth. And that C in sixth. Add it to the A, G, E. One more time. And then carrying on. C, D, C, 6, 4, 6. And then we do 6, 4, 2, 4, 6. C, D, E, D, C. C, E, D. E, D, C. Okay, I'm going to play through that for you and then I'm just going to talk you through the slide positions one more time. Okay, so we had E, G, A, E, G, A, A, G, E, D, C, C, D, C, C, D, E, D, C, C, E, D, E, D, C. Okay, have a good look at that. Make sure you're okay with your slide positions, practice those notes, have fun with that one. This is the violin part for the verse for Stand By Me. So I'm going to give you the notes for the violin and the string positions for the violin. However, if you're playing the cello or the viola, you can also use this part of the video, and although your strings are different and your fingering might be slightly different, the notes are the same and you can play the same notes that I'm going to teach for the violin, and that will work on your instruments too. So for all strings we start on an E, and for a violin player that's your D string, one finger. So find that E, we're then going to go to a G to get that G ready, which is D string, three fingers. So we're going to go E, G, A, up to an open A string. And if you can do it twice like that, do that. E, G, A, E, G, A. And remember, for the E it's D string, one finger. The G is D string, three fingers. E, G, E, G, A string, open. E, G, A string. Then we're going to do the tricky bit, A, G, E, D, C. So we start on the open A string, then onto the D string, the G with three fingers and the E with one finger. Find those three notes. Then open D string, and then on the G, three fingers for that low C. A, G, E, D, C. Okay, so let's put that together so far. E, G, A, E, G, A, A, G, E, D, C. C, D, C. So that's C on the G string, three fingers, up to an open D. C, D, E, D, C. C, D, E, D, C. C, D, E, D, C. C, E, D. E, D, C. C, E, D. E, D, C. I'm going to play that through for you to follow. E, G, A, E, G, A, A, G, E, D, C. C, D, C. C, D, E, D, C. C, E, D. E, D, C. Just going to do the whole thing for you in one go, then you can play along with that after you've had a listen. So there we are, have a good look at the notes and that, have a good practice of that, and enjoy. Okay, that is part one of your multi-instrumental tutorial for Stand By Me with brass, recorders and also strings covered in that. Do carefully have a look at that this week. It'll take time to build up the whole pattern for the verses. Don't forget to do it twice on whichever instrument you're doing. So really go back over the parts of the tutorial for your instrument and go slowly through each note of the piece, and then you can carefully put it together. Also have a listen to the ukulele video through the link below so you can get it in your head how the song goes and what you're trying to aim for. And then work on that, and next week we'll put the second half in, we'll put the chorus in as well, so you can then at the end of next week put the whole song together and play along on whichever instrument you have at home. Okay, hope you enjoyed that everyone. Do take care.